What's good, yo? It's your boy Michael Morshots, and I'm back again with another video. This is gonna be a very quick video, as I was working on a video that I shot in Florida, a music video that I shot in Florida, in June last month, and I came across a tip that I wanted to show you guys because I was editing, and I seen this thing that I just did right now, and I was like, oh, I might as well just make a video so that somebody else that's also using Premiere Pro as their official editor software to be able to know how to do this as well. And I think it's a very nice tip to share, and somebody might, learn from this. So let's jump to the screen and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so if we jump to the screen right now, you guys can see this beautiful frame that I have right in front of me right now. This is the amazing yall artist. Dope. Her music is very, very dope. This is her first music video, and she brought me and the team out to go shoot this in Florida, Key West. We shot in a lot of different places in Florida, and this is the studio shot that we ended up doing. We shot in this amazing studio. That's in Florida. Shout out to them as well. And yeah, so let's jump into this quick tutorial that I just wanted to show you guys. So the footage, everything is nice and crispy. I love everything that's here. So this particular shot, if I'm playing this shot right now, you guys can see, I'm gonna make the screen a little wider. For this particular shot, you guys can see it's a little shaky right there, right? I'm gonna play that shot one more time. So it's a little shaky right there, this clip. And what I initially wanted to do for this clip was I wanted to slow down this clip, but I also wanted to put a warp stabilizer so that this clip can be stabilized, because I shot this handheld. This particular clip, my DP shot this handheld, so I wanted to make it smooth by making it slow, and I also wanted to warp stabilize it so that it can be stabilized. So with Premiere Pro, when you slow down the speed of a video and you add warp stabilizer, it's not gonna work. This is what it's gonna give you. Let's go back to the screen. So I'm gonna go to my effects right here. First of all, I'm gonna make this clip slow. So I'm gonna change the speed of this clip. Oh, I already did that. So this speed of the clip is at 60%. I shot this particular clip at 60 frames per second, so it's on a 24 frames per second timeline. So I just slowed it down by 60% right here, so it's already slowed. So when I come here and I'm adding my warp stabilizer, this is what it's gonna give me. I add warp stabilizer to the clip, boom. So you see right here it says warp stabilizer and speed can't be used on same clip. So in order to navigate this and in order to be able to slow down the footage to make it cinematic a little bit and stabilize it at the same time, this is what you're gonna have to do. So back to the screen, guys. So I'm gonna take off the warp stabilizer effect. Let's clear that out real quick. So the clip is slowed down already. We got that part out. What I'm gonna do right now is I will go to that clip. I will click on right click on the clip. I'm gonna click nest. So I'm gonna nest the clip. I'm just gonna name it. I'm just gonna name the clip speed and warp stabilize. All right, I'm gonna click OK. Boom. So that clip is a nested clip. So it's gonna change. It's not gonna be like the same color as all the other clips because it's nested. So now, in order for us to warp stabilize it and in order for it to work, we had to nest it. So I'm gonna go to my warp stabilizer now. I'm gonna add it on, and boom! Look at the screen. It's analyzing. For the smoothness, I normally put my warp stabilizer at 5. It wasn't that shaky that much. It wasn't too jittery. So you see, it just stabilized it right now, and I'm gonna render out that clip real quick. Let me make in and out points, INO, to make in and out points. render, and boom, the clip is looking so good right now. Yes. All right, guys, so you see that clip again? I'm gonna play it right now. Boom. It's slowed down, and at the same time I'm able to warp stabilize it and make this footage stabilize, so it feels like this was on a gimbal or this was on a steady cam. So I mean, we shot pretty much on the gimbal that day, but for this shot we made it this shot with a we did a handheld shot for this particular clip. So we just warp stabilized it and we made the speed 60%. So playback again, very clean and very smooth. Boom. Yeah, guys, so this music video is amazing. You guys are gonna see it when it comes out. It's dropping soon. I'm done with the edits right now. This video is gonna be color graded and sent over to the artist for her to look at her video and all that. But this video is dropping, I think, on the 29th of this month. So you guys are gonna see the music video when it drops. I'm gonna share it and all that other stuff. I'm also gonna make another video on how I captured this whole music video, the gear we used, the locations we chose for this, and the whole set design for this whole music video. So you guys are gonna see that very soon when this video comes out. I'm gonna make another video and talk in depth about that as well. But for now, guys, I'm gonna run back to my edits. This was just a quick video. I just wanted to share it to you guys. I'm gonna run back to my edits and I'm gonna get this video out to her, and you guys are gonna see the final result. But I just wanted to show that effect with you guys, because I know a lot of people that use Premiere Pro struggle with this, especially when the footage, you want to stabilize it and you want to make it slow at the same time to make it cinematic, and you cannot do that when you speed down normally and put warp stabilizer on it at the same time. So this was the way to do it, to get both effects working on the same clip at the same time. So I hope this clip was helpful for you guys, and I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.